Listen up, posers. Today, we're gonna pull some pork. Not what you're doing in your mom's basement while you're looking for a job. First, we gotta create the one night while headbanging for hours in my mother's basement to the ultimate of all metals, all of them combined, all at one time, Satan himself bestowed upon me the most eternal recipe for the pork butt. Now we must give our butt the ultimate rub. That's right, we put our beautiful sexy spice on there, and then we pour beer all over the butt. But the reason we put beer on the butt is because it keeps it nice and moist and it soaks all those sugars into the butt. Now that we've perfectly rubbed and soaked our butt, we now must take it to the most hottest place other than hell, your smoker. You must cook at 275 degrees for at least 5 to 6 Man-O-War albums.